This week, the legal troubles surrounding rapper Lil Durk have escalated significantly as he faces additional charges linked to a murder-for-hire plot. With these new charges, Durk could be looking at life in prison if convicted, making his future uncertain. In this video, we'll break down the latest developments in his case, what the new charges mean for him, and how this situation is unfolding. The murder-for-hire plot. Lil Durk, whose real name is Durk Derek Banks, has been no stranger to controversy in his career, but this latest turn of events has shocked both fans and the hip-hop community. Authorities have added new charges to his case involving an alleged murder-for-hire scheme. The plot is said to have involved Durk allegedly hiring someone to carry out a murder, though details about the victim and the specifics of the plot have not yet been fully disclosed. These new charges come on top of his existing legal battles. Durk has faced various legal issues over the years, including accusations of illegal firearm possession and involvement in violent incidents, but nothing has been as serious as this murder-for-hire accusation. If convicted, these new charges could lead to a sentence of life in prison, which would have a devastating impact on both his career and personal life. What we know so far. According to court documents, the charges are connected to a scheme that allegedly took place in 2022. Investigators claim that Durk had knowledge of, and possibly participated in, an arrangement to have a rival or an associate murdered. While the exact details of the plan remain murky, prosecutors are reportedly building a strong case based on wiretap evidence, witness testimonies, and other intelligence gathered during the investigation. Lil Durk has not publicly commented on the new charges, but his legal team has asserted that he is innocent. They argue that the allegations are baseless and that Durk was not involved in any criminal plot. However, the added weight of these new charges significantly complicates his situation. The legal ramifications. Facing murder-for-hire charges is incredibly serious. In many jurisdictions, the penalty for attempting or conspiring to commit murder can be life in prison, particularly if the crime is tied to organized criminal activity or involves premeditation. If convicted, Durk could face not only a lengthy prison sentence, but also additional charges for conspiracy and other related offenses. In addition to the murder-for-hire plot, Durk could be facing charges related to his involvement in street gangs, which has been a theme in some of his music. While the rapper has denied any gang affiliations in public interviews, his ties to certain groups in his music and his past have raised questions about his possible connections to organized crime, which could make his legal case even more complicated. The impact on his career. Lil Durk's music career has been on an upward trajectory for the past several years. With multiple chart-topping albums, collaborations with high-profile artists, and a massive fan base, Durk has built a reputation as one of the top rappers in the industry. However, his legal troubles have cast a shadow over his success. If convicted, this could be the end of his career as he knows it. Many fans are worried that the rapper's rise in the music world might be derailed by his legal issues. While Durk has maintained a strong presence on social media and in his music, his ability to tour or release new projects could be significantly limited by time spent in prison. His case will undoubtedly affect his brand and reputation, especially if the charges stick. What's next? At this point, it's unclear what will happen next in Lil Durk's case. The rapper is expected to appear in court for a preliminary hearing, where his lawyers will attempt to have the charges reduced or dismissed. However, with the evidence against him mounting, it seems that this case is likely to go to trial, where a jury will ultimately decide his fate. For now, Lil Durk's fans are left waiting for more information as his legal team works to build a defense. The outcome of this case could change the course of Durk's career, and it serves as a reminder of the high stakes involved in the legal battles faced by public figures.